Hello everyone. So in this video, I am going to explain about derived column in Synapse or Azure Data Factory data flow transformation. So what is the meaning of derived column? Derived columns we create based on existing column, or I can say in a data flow transformation, if I have to update any existing column or I have to create a new column based on any existing column or based on any constant value, then we can use derived column transformation. Now let's understand it practically. Okay, so this is my source, and this is my data, source data. Okay, we can see it's related to sales. Now come to the derived column transformation. So to create a derived column transformation, we need to click on plus and then we can add the derived column like that. Okay, so I am deleting this because I already have one derived column transformation. Okay, but if we have to create a new one, we need to click on plus then select derived column. Now in come to the derived column setting, we already selected a stream. Okay, means the input. Now assume we have to create a column. Okay, click on plus add column. Okay, so here we can see a new column came. So here we can do two things. Either I can update the existing column. So if we have to update existing column, just assume unit price. So if we have to update unit price, so how we can update unit price. So and after that we may add or we may subtract or we may divide, multiply, many things, like we can update this value in a many way. Okay, so if I do this, what will happen? The value of unit price will update with unit price plus 2. So here what I did, what I am doing, I am updating the existing column. Okay, so just assume I have to change the value of unit price, but I don't need to update, I want to keep my older one also. Then in that case I can create a new column, but we need to give some name. Okay, so instead of selecting the older one, I am giving some name, I given name new unit price. So and here unit price 2. So what will happen here? I will have a two column. One is the older unit price with older value, and another will be new unit price with updated value, that is unit price plus 2. So this is how we can use a derived column to update the existing column or to create a new column. Okay, and the new column value may be a constant or may be based on some existing column. So here it is based on existing column called unit price. So because unit price 2, so instead of this I can remove everything and I can give some constant value also, like 67, like that. Okay, now while clicking on plus, we can see first I use add column. So instead of add column, I have add column pattern also. Okay, so what is the meaning of add column pattern? Let me remove existing one. So we can add column from here also and from here also, both are same. So now let's click on add column pattern. So when we click on add column pattern or select add column pattern, then in that case we don't need to specify the column name. Okay, the thing will be happen dynamically. Let me explain with example. Just I want to search a column where type is double. Okay, so wherever the column type will match with double data type. Okay, then after that enter column name. So column name will be like that. So if I give a $2, it means same name. Okay, now here if any of the column having data type is double, then it should round up to 2 digit. Okay, dollar means same column. Okay, I will explain again now. Okay, so what is happening here? First it is looking for a column where type is equal to double. Okay, so if it found a column where type is double, then here we are giving the column name. Okay, if I give double dollar, it means I am updating the existing column. Just assume unit price has a data type double. Okay, so here if I give double dollar, what happening here, the new column name will be unit price only, means the existing column is will be updated, and here it will give a rounded value, round up to 2. So what I am doing, dynamically I am updating the column value with round up to 2 digit. Okay, dynamically updating me what means, instead of, just assume I have a 5 column where type is equal to double, I have to perform around, okay, for 5 columns. So one thing is I can add one by one 5 column, and then I can update this column using round function. Another thing is the way I am doing here, using column pattern. So simply I in the column pattern I written type equal to double, means wherever the type is double, let's update, and the name will be dollar dollar, name will be same because I am using dollar dollar, and then round up to 2 digit. Okay, even I have a option to update the change the name. So if I just assume uh, here rounded, so in this case what will happen, round. Okay, so in this case what will happen, the existing column will not update. Okay, the new column will create, and the column, just assume the existing column name is unit price. So what will happen, new column will create unit price rounded name, new column name will be there, because I am concatenating, I am at the runtime I am giving the name. Okay, wherever the name is type equal to double, I am giving name dollar existing name plus rounded. Okay, dollar means the existing column name, the old column name. Okay, so let's come here to data preview to verify the things what I said. Okay, I am refreshing. Okay, so let's find first column where type is double. So this is the unit price, its type is double. Okay, here we can see this is our unit price, and at the first, second, third, fourth row we have value 699.0982. Okay, so in my current scenario, if you look here, I am not updating the current column. Okay, I am creating a new column with rounded value, because dollar dollar plus rounded. So the new column should be created unit price rounded at the end. Let me find unit price. Yeah, we got it. Unit price rounded. Okay, the new column unit price rounded. Okay, here we can see it is rounded up to 2 digit. Okay, we can see the value got rounded up to 2 digit. So for all the type all the column where type was doubled should be rounded up to 2 digit. Okay, and one new column should be created, because I am doing everything dynamically. Let me find this one. So this is also seems new column, unit price discount. Let me hover this. You can see unit price discount rounded. Okay, because this is the new column created. Wherever the type was double, it created a new column adding name rounded. Okay, and in the new column the value is rounded up to 2 digit. Okay, but in the existing column there is a no change. Okay, so if I remove this rounded and plus operator, then what will happen, it will change to the existing column, not, it won't create a new column. Let me show you. Okay, so dollar means the existing column. Okay, so wherever the type is equal to double, the round will happen up to 2 digit. So 1 minute, unit price. 1 minute, just a minute. I have some, oh, sorry, need to refresh the data. Okay. We need to refresh the data. It takes time. We have made the changes, so we need to refresh. Now we can see for unit price we have only like we have value where rounded up to 2 digit, not unit price for extended amount for you everywhere wherever we have a type double, it must be rounded with 2 digit. Okay, because in this we are updating existing column. Okay, but in my previous example I was not updating the existing column. I created a new column with new name. Okay, existing column plus rounded new name with updated value. Okay, so this is how we can use a derived column in Synapse data flow transformation. Thank you.